Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bass boost on CapCut. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the CapCut app and create a new project, or simply open your existing project. Now, to bass boost the audio, simply click on Audio, Sounds, and choose a music that you want to add to your video. I'll choose this music on my video. Now, we just want to add boost on our added music. So, I'll mute my original music sound. Now, to bass boost the music, click on the music and click on the audio effects at the bottom menu. Scroll all the way down until you see megaphone. Click on it. And here to see. Now you can see the difference in the bass. You can hear the changes in the bass. But you can see, okay. But as you can hear, there's a difference in the bass now. And that's how we can bass boost on CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.